Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in the world of fitness tech, especially for runners, cyclists, and triathletes. If you're into endurance sports, you'll want to stick around because we're covering everything there is to know so far about Garmin's upcoming Forerunner 975. Let's kick things off by talking about the legacy behind this device. Garmin's Forerunner series has long been a favorite among athletes, evolving from basic GPS trackers into powerful smartwatches. The Forerunner 965, released in 2023, introduced features like an AMOLED display and enhanced training tools, along with a sleek, modern design. But it wasn't without flaws. Battery life left something to be desired. The price was steep for some, and ultra-endurance athletes found it a bit limiting. The new 975 looks set to change all that. We first got wind of the 975 through filings with the FCC. While the name wasn't explicitly mentioned, analysts quickly tied the internal codes and design specs to Garmin's Forerunner lineup. Several sources have now confirmed its existence, so it's safe to say it's on the horizon. Based on Garmin's typical product release cycles, we can expect the Forerunner 975 to hit shelves sometime between April and June 2025. This would line up perfectly with the beginning of the triathlon season, an ideal time for Garmin to roll out a high-performance watch aimed at serious athletes. So, what can we expect from the 975 in terms of features? It's shaping up to be a powerhouse. Enhanced running dynamics are reportedly included, offering real-time insights like stride length, vertical oscillation, and ground contact time, all geared toward helping you run more efficiently. Advanced heart rate monitoring and VO to max tracking will likely see improvements too, and there's buzz about new sensors that could even enable ECG readings for more accurate health data. Training tools are also expected to get smarter. High-powered features such as real-time stamina tracking, adaptive training plans, and race predictions are rumored to make their debut, offering a more personalized training experience. Battery life is another area where the 975 might shine. It's likely to include solar charging, similar to what we've seen in Garmin's Fenix and Enduro lines. Better power management could mean significantly less time tethered to a charger, especially helpful for long-distance events. When it comes to GPS, accuracy is crucial, especially in challenging environments like dense forests or tall city buildings. The 975 is expected to include multi-band GNSS support for more precise tracking, along with turn-by-turn navigation and topographic maps for safer and smarter outdoor adventures. Design-wise, the 975 will likely keep the lightweight feel of the 965 but might bring improved durability and weather resistance. The AMOLED display should remain, but with upgrades in contrast, animation smoothness, and overall responsiveness. There's even talk of a smaller-sized version, possibly called the 975s, for those who prefer a more compact watch. Storage is also getting a bump. Instead of the limited space seen in previous models, the new version might offer between 16 to 32 gigabytes. That means more room for music, workout plans, and maps. Additional smart features could include built-in music playback, Bluetooth calling, voice assistant support, and even a microphone and speaker. However, Garmin Pay may be removed, possibly to conserve battery for endurance users. Price-wise, the Forerunner 975 is expected to launch between $649 and $699, a slight increase but still well below Garmin's top-tier Fenix and Epix models, which can exceed $1,000. In summary, the Forerunner 975 looks to be Garmin's most advanced sports watch yet. It promises meaningful upgrades across the board, from training features and battery life to durability and smart functions. While it might be overkill for casual users, serious athletes could find it to be the perfect companion. What do you think? Are you planning to make the upgrade, or are you holding out for the next big release? Let us know your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews.